So we have rapid fire activity. Rapid fire or drilling? Hard work. Hard work. Hard work. आपको कौन पढ़ाता है? Who teach you or who teaches you? मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. मैं आपको जवाब नहीं देता. मैंने किताब पढ़ी. I read book or I read book. मैं किताब पढ़ चुका हूँगा. I will have. Okay. Kekasha, which tense is this?
Present perfect continuous.
Are you sure? Yes.
No.
मैं आपको पढ़ा सकता हूँ. I can teach you or I can educate you.
Because you is a second person and we cannot use and he and she we can use s and es.
तुम एक्टिविटी चेंज करते रहते हो. You keep on. Is it activize or passivize? Why activize is this? What's the reason, Miss Kaina?
Sir, this is active voice because this tense is present in definite tense.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How have you been? Cool as cucumber. Cool as cucumber. Okay. Can you not change your sentence? How have you been?
I am being in the garden.
Very good. Miss, how are you?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Okay, you are speaking very fast. What is this? Is it mean?
We can't express our feeling. So
Okay, means that you are very excited. Very nice. So we have rapid fire activity. Rapid fire or drilling? What's the difference between both of them? Who will explain? Malaika.
So rapid fire when we start rapidly and drilling when we say
Commonly
commonly sentences.
Okay. Drilling means when I speak Urdu and you all will speak English. And rapid fire means that when I call somebody and I speak rapidly and he has to speak right and rapidly. This means the rapid fire. But we are not going to have a rapid fire. We are going to have a drilling. So I hope you all are very excited and ready before starting class. So I just wanna speak one sentence for you people, and it can be very motivational for you. Hard work. Hard work. Hard work. Hard work. Pay off or pays off? Pays. Okay. सबर का फल मीठा होता है और सबर का फल जरूर मिलता है. वेरी गुड. आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. कैन वी चेंज द वर्ड? Okay. Everybody has their own words. That's good. आप कौन हैं? आपको कौन पढ़ाता है? Who teach you or who teaches you? Who? आपको कौन पढ़ाता है? आपको सर सभी पढ़ाते हैं. सर सभी teach you or teaches you? Why teaches? Reason?
Third person is singular, therefore we are using s.
Okay, because of the third person singular. Okay, where do we use third person singular? In which tense? Past indefinite tense or present indefinite tense?
Present indefinite tense.
Can you please tell me the formulation of present indefinite tense?
Subject plus s, es. Or
Where is verb?
subject plus a verb plus s plus es plus ies plus subject.
Okay, so S, ES, IS.
Yes.
We use S, ES and IS when?
When we have third person singular.
Very good now. Okay now. मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. आए मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. मैं आपको जवाब नहीं देता. मैं आपको जवाब नहीं देता. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. Serve you. Serve you. Serve you. Serve you right. Is it phrase or suit yourself? Suit yourself? Is it right? Sure. Good job. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूँ. मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ. मैंने किताब पढ़ी. I read book or I read book. मैं किताब पढ़ूंगा. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा था. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँगा. I will be I will be. Can I say I shall be? I shall be. I shall be. मैं ये किताब पढ़ चुका हूँ. I have. Read or read? I have. I have. आपके आने से पहले मैं किताब पढ़ चुका था. I had read this book. I had read before. Okay, मैं किताब पढ़ चुका हूँगा. I will have. मैं सुबह से किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. Okay, I am or I have. I have been. Okay, Kekasha, which tense is this?
Present perfect continuous.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is it not present continuous tense?
No,
What's the difference between that?
because we are using time. It shows present perfect tense shows the time that we
Okay.
use for and since, and present perfect tense shows that we have done our work.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, present continuous tense means the work which is going on at the time of speaking. That's great. So, may I test your noun? Do you know the meaning of the words? Sure. Okay, what do we say? Tawun. Cooperate or cooperation? Not cooperation. It's a noun. Cooperation. Yes. Tawun. तावुन करना. तावुन करना. पढ़ाना. पढ़ाना. उस्ताद. उस्ताद. पढ़ना. 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 रीड. ओके, पढ़ने वाला. पढ़ने वाला. पढ़ने वाला. मदद करना. मदद करना. असिस्ट. ओके, मदद करना. मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ. I can. मैं आपको पढ़ा सकता हूँ. I can teach you or I can educate you. I can. तुम कार चलाते रहते हो. तुम कार चलाते रहते हो. Can we use you keeps? Okay, or you keep? Sure? Why so? Reason?
Because you is a second person, and we cannot use and he and she. We can use s and es, and only s in keeps.
Okay, good job. तुम सवाल करते रहते हो. मैं पढ़ाता रहता हूँ. I keep on. तुम सफर करते रहते हो. You keep on traveling. You keep on. तुम घर तब्दील करते रहते हो. You keep on. तुम टॉपिक चेंज करते रहते हो. तुम एक्टिविटी चेंज करते रहते हो. You keep on. Okay, do you know about passive voice? Can we have drilling of passive voice? Okay, so let's have a sentences of passive voice. A very common sentence is that सेब खाया जाता है. सेब नहीं खाया जाता. Okay, पैसे खर्च किए जाते हैं. Money is spent or spended. Spelling. S-P-E-N-D. D-E-D or T? The third form of spend is S-P-E-N-T. Spend. Okay. पैसे खर्च किए जाते हैं. Money is. सवाल लिखा जाता है. Question is. जवाब दिया जा सकता था. Answer could be Answer could be. Answer could be. Answer could be. मुझे बुलवाना चाहिए था. I should have been. I should have been. I should have been. I should have been. Okay, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए. I should. Is it activized or passivized? Why activized is this? What's the reason, Miss Kainat?
Sir, this is active voice because this tense is present in definite tense.
I should speak English.
No, sorry, this is modal verb. I should speak English.
So is there subject?
Is there subject?
Yes.
Yes,
there is.
we.
Which one subject is this?
I.
I is a subject.
I is a subject.
Okay, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए. Can you translate this in passive voice? Okay, let's me search anyone. Mr. Asher, can you translate this? Stand up, please. Okay, I should speak English. Convert into passive voice.
I should speak English. Should I speak, sir? What?
Very nice. It's a task for you.
I should.
I should speak English. Convert into passive voice.
English is spoken by me.
English is. You're wrong. Stand up, Alam.
English should speaking by me.
Wrong. Very wrong. Very wrong. Yes, Mr. Chaffin. I should speak English.
Sir, English is spoken by me.
Oh my God, you're wrong. Sorry. Yes, sir. Stand up. I should speak English.
English should be spoken by me.
Oh wow, very good. Nice job. Congratulations, you have won. Okay. So English should have been spoken, or English should be. English should be. So means 4 students were wrong. Can I have a task for the girls? Okay, now, Mariam, stand up. The task for you is, girl teaches English.
English is taught by girl.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Which tense is this?
Is this this is passive.
It's passive.
Yes.
Which tense?
Which tense? Indefinite.
Sure?
Yes.
Very good. Can you convert into negative?
Sir, repeat your.
Yes. English is taught by her.
English is not taught by her.
English is not taught by her. Can you convert into interrogative?
Is English, sir?
English is not taught by her. Interrogative.
Is English taught by her?
Very good. Is English taught by her? Interrogative plus negative.
Is English not taught by her?
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Which tense is this?
Present indefinite.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice class. Have a nice drilling. Hope you have enjoyed and you have just understood. Let's have a clap, all of you, for yourself.